I had a procedure done about 6 weeks ago, and honestly, this has been one of the most transformational procedures I've ever done in my life. And one thing that I have been using to help me recover as speedily as possible are these psychobiotics from Purewell. Now, one thing I love about these Purewell psychobiotics is the fact that, first of all, they are not just probiotics and they're not just postbiotics. These are psychobiotics in the fact that you can actually take them to improve the connection between your brain and your gut-brain axis. That's what it's called. As you guys know, serotonin is one of the very important enzymes in the body that helps with regulating your mood, regulating your anxiety levels, your stress levels, and stuff like that. And 90% of the body's serotonin is produced in the gut. That is why when you start to feel sluggish, when you start to feel bloated, it generally affects your mood and your productivity because your gut health isn't optimized, and as such, you as a person are not optimized. And that is where these psychobiotics come in, because they help you to regulate your gut health and improve that communication between your brain and your gut. And as such, you start to feel better mental clarity. It helps to tackle your anxiety. It helps you feel like if you are just able to live your best life. And honestly, I've been using this for about 3 weeks now because I started using it in the beginning of March, and I absolutely love it so much. This is actually going to be tagged in the description box of this video if you guys want to check it out. But this is amazing. It has helped me so much. One thing I've been doing is I've been trying to be consistent on my social media, especially on Instagram and here on YouTube, posting videos every single day. And because my mental clarity is like top notch, I've been able to achieve those goals because of these psychobiotics. Now, they don't have any synthetic ingredients, so it's all natural, and you can use just 2 tablets a day. As you guys can see, I actually use this. I've gone through more than half of it. I actually use this. I'm not just here to tell you stories, and I have like 4 of them, brand new ones, because once this is done, I'm gonna go over to the next one. I just keep using it. But the time between when you start using it and when you see results usually take on average about a month. So I absolutely love this so much. It can take a bit longer than a month depending on the way your body synthesizes things. But if you are particular about improving your gut health, you are particular about improving your mental clarity and focus, and you're particular about improving that connection between your gut and your brain, then this is definitely something that you need to add to your rotation. You will absolutely love it. It does what it says it will do. And honestly, I cannot be more grateful for this, especially because I had a procedure. It has helped me recover a lot faster than I imagined because my body just doesn't feel bad. I don't feel bloated. I don't have any undue stress. It reduces the cortisol levels. And if you don't know anything about cortisol, which is one of the hormones in your body, cortisol is like the stress hormone of your body. So if your cortisol levels are not optimized, you're going to feel very stressed, you're going to feel very sluggish, you're going to feel very fatigued, you're not going to feel optimal. This reduces the cortisol level and it helps to improve your body's production of serotonin in the gut by helping to improve your gut bacteria and helping your gut to actually feel healed and better. So many other probiotics just target bacteria that are coming in, but this one targets the full thing, and that's why it's called the psychobiotic. The bacteria coming in, the bacteria that are living there, and everything, such that it will help you have optimal gut health and help that connection between your gut and your brain so that you can have better mental clarity. Anyways, guys, if you guys wanted to try this out, the Purewell psychobiotics, they're going to be tagged in the description box of this video. I honestly think you should give it a try, see how it works for you. If you don't like it, that's fine, you can stop it. But if you do like it, this will be one of those things that are generally transformational and pivotal for you. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.